Welcome to this easy setup guide where you will be shown step by step how to start trading with Easybot using the KuCoin crypto exchange. We will guide you through the process of creating and funding your KuCoin account and connecting Easybot to KuCoin using a secure API connection. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, the first thing you'll want to do is make your way over to KuCoin.com, click on sign up. Under sign up, you're going to select email as the method of registration, enter your email address and then click send code to have the verification code sent. Retrieve the email verification code that was sent to your email. You may need to check the spam folder and then enter a secure password. Then click sign up. So here we are on the asset overview page inside of KuCoin, which you can navigate back to at any time by hovering over this wallet icon and clicking here where it says overview. The two main accounts we are concerned with is the main account and the trading account. So any crypto that we purchase or deposit in here is going to appear in the main account, and we will then need to transfer that over to the trading account in order to utilize Easybot. First thing we'll do for simplicity is convert all our wallet balances to USDT, and I'm going to make a deposit of 600 USDT into the main account just for demonstration purposes. KuCoin offers many different options and methods to get cryptocurrency in here. In the asset overview page we can click on deposit, and depending on the fiat currency you select you will see some payment methods for depositing fiat. Here for Euro we have SEPA transfer, Visa, MasterCard. The most obvious way is to deposit crypto if you already have it somewhere else in another exchange or another wallet. If I go back to the overview menu here, we can also buy cryptocurrency using Visa, MasterCard through one of these channels of payment processor. We also have Apple Pay. If I go back up here to fast trade, we can see that we can buy crypto, and if I open up the menu here you'll see multitudes of options with third parties including PayPal, Cash App, Google Pay, Neteller, Uphold. Please note that many of these third party methods will require that you fully verify your account by binding a phone number and completing the KYC verification. The simplest way is to simply send cryptocurrency in here from another exchange, another wallet, or wherever else you can get your hands on it. So we're going to go into the main account for this example. I'm going to search USDT. I'm then going to come across and select deposit. You will then need to select the network or the chain that you are sending across. There are many options. Make sure that wherever you're sending it from you are selecting the right network. I'm going to be sending from Binance. I'm going to send it over the TRC20 network. I'm going to copy this address, open up my spot wallet in Binance, find USDT, click withdraw. I'm going to paste in the address and then select the network that I just chose over in KuCoin, TRC20 in this example. While we wait for that to arrive, let me just highlight the fact that you are free to deposit any cryptocurrency that you can get your hands on. Perhaps it's easier to get your hands on Bitcoin somewhere else. You can deposit Bitcoin and then follow the many tutorials that are available inside the knowledge base in KuCoin, which will show you how to convert that Bitcoin into USDT once it has arrived into your KuCoin. So our 600 USDT has arrived. We are going to transfer it over into the trading account to use with Easybot. Right now USDT at the time of recording this video is the first stable coin that is available to trade with Easybot, but soon we will have additional stable coins that you can use. Click on transfer on the main account and toggle the order here with this flip icon so that we're going from the main account to the trade account. I'm going to enter the full amount, in this case 600. Click confirm and instantly you will see it appear inside the trading account. Now that your trading capital is where it needs to be inside of KuCoin, the next step is to create your API connection. Hover over your profile, go to API management, and you will see that all three of these security protection methods need to be enabled in order for you to create an API. You can click here on Edit to set them up. You can also get there by clicking Security Settings, where you will see them. If it's your first time using the Google Authenticator app and setting up 2FA, two-factor authentication, click here to open up their step-by-step user guide, which will guide you through the process. Setting up your trading password is very simple. You're just going to create a 6-digit number. Make sure you write it down offline, keep it somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. This will be used to confirm withdrawals and create API connections. Once you have enabled those two security measures, go back to API Management, make sure you're under Spot Margin API, click Create API. First thing you do is give the API a name. I'll call it Easybot. The next step is to create a passphrase which is anywhere from 7 to 32 characters. This is unique to this specific API connection that you're creating. Again, write this down offline, somewhere safe where you won't lose it. Next, under API restrictions, make sure you tick the trade box so that Easybot has permission to send trade commands. Tick yes as recommended for IP restrictions. Navigate inside your Easybot dashboard. Go to Bot Management, User Exchanges, and you will land on this page. Copy the trusted IP to your clipboard. That is what you're going to paste in here, and click Add. You may now proceed. Click Next. To finalize and confirm the creation of this API connection, you will need to approve it via all 3 layers of security measures that we created earlier. Enter your trading password, send a verification code to your email, and input the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app. Once you have retrieved all 3 of those, click on Confirm. And the final step, you'll be sent an email. The email should look like this. Click where it says Activate API. Your API has now been created. We will now copy across the key and the secret into our Easybot dashboard to establish the API connection. Once again, navigate to Bot Management, User Exchanges, click on Add User Exchange, give it a name. From the drop-down menu, select KuCoin, copy and paste the key and the secret, type in your passphrase that you created and wrote down offline, and then click Save. Your API key is now available under API Management, which you can edit and delete at any time. You are now ready to set up and activate your bots. Navigate to Bot Management, click on Bots, click Add New, and now you're about to see one of the reasons it's called Easybot. It really is simple. Just give it a title. Perhaps you want to name it after the exchange and the date you put it running. Select KuCoin that you just connected from the drop-down menu under Exchange. Open up this list and select the coin you want to trade for this bot. This should be at cycle, your status should be active, and then you simply type in the amount of your balance that's over in your KuCoin. How much of that do you want to allocate to this particular coin that you're setting up? Maybe you've 1,200, maybe you've 6,000, maybe you've 60,000 over in KuCoin, whatever it is. In this example, for demonstration purposes, we were just using 600. You will see everything else is ready to go. Auto compounding, default configuration is already set up. You don't have to worry about anything. You simply click Save. So give it a title, select the exchange, select the coin, enter the trading balance that you want to allocate to this particular coin, and click Save. You will then simply click Add New and repeat that process for each additional coin that you want to trade. And that's it, my friend. Congratulations, you are now up and running and trading using KuCoin with Easybot.